In this particular video, let us understand the concept of industrial design protection. This is one of the type of IPs. What do you mean by industrial design? Industrial design is the aspect of useful article which is ornamental and aesthetic in nature. It might contain a two-dimensional representation or a three-dimensional representations. Industrial design are applied to wide variety of the products in the industry, such as watches, jewelries, fashion jewelries, storage equipment, industrial and medical implementation, and everything. So few examples: you have chairs. There are many types of chairs. You have a unique shape of a chair which you can guarantee more comfort and many features. As such, you can basically go for a industrial design protection. What is industrial design? Refers only to the ornamental and aesthetic aspects of a product. Refers to the appearance of a product. What is industrial design consists of? It has 3D features of shape of a product, 2D features such as ornamentation, patterns, lines or colors of a product, combination of one of more such results. Here are the examples of the industrial design IP obtained. Scooter, which is basically it is similar scooter, but the thing is you can fold it and carry it wherever you want. A stapler, wheelchair for small kids, colorful, razor, how handy the shape, the storage, the EV, and stuff. So in most of the countries, the industrial design must be registered in order to be protected. As it may be, in order to be registered, the design must be very new and original. It should contain the novelty and originality, which might differ in country to country. It should be capable of being reproduced, in the industry. The industrial design must be published either before or at the time of the stated period and the registration to be done. It is possible to protect the industrial design under the copyright law, and it should be basically presented in the form of a patent. So there are two basic types of design protection. One is the registered design, the other one is artistic copyright. Registered design is basically going to give you a monopoly of a design, which is when applied is granted under the law of country. Registered design is filed where it is basically filed. Artistic copyright is substitute in number of different kinds of literature, drama, music, artistic work, sounds, etc., much similar to a copyright. So what is the need of this kind of a protection? By protecting an industrial design, an owner of a design is given a right against its unauthorized copying. The owner of a protected industrial design shall have the right to prevent third parties not having his consent from selling, making copies of it. Since industrial design are the aspect of article which make it aesthetically appealing, they serve to add to commercial value. It does not protect any technical features of a product. This you need to keep in mind. What is the process? So where to apply? You basically have to go for an industrial design patent office located either in Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata or Delhi. Then we'll basically appear for the hearing and examination process. The creator of the design, or it can be a proprietary right filed by the company. So that similar to the patent, it has its own process of patenting. The application process and all is much similar. So before doing it, we need to check for any such industrial design present on the website, which we cannot basically search just like your any other IPs. Here we have to do it in the registered website. So by paying 500, we can check it if you have a register number. If you do not know the register number of a similar design, you can basically pay a fee of 1000 rupees and get it searched. So after your entire due application, you will have an acceptance or notification to you saying your application is basically granted, and appear for a hearing. the registration is done and the validity is basically given. So hope you have got the basic information on industrial design. Thank you.